you literally may be the perfect guest in the world to have on about this story.
I think I know as much as anybody about that.
Okay, I could go half an hour with this interview. I got 3 minutes. Here's the thing. You can make loans. You and I could sort of send it to each other over the Facebook app. Sounds a lot like a bank.
It does sound a lot like a bank. And
not a Bitcoin.
Well, I think one of the big differences is this is, at the moment, this is centralized. It's not decentralized. And so you have somebody running it, even if it's a foundation.
And I thought the whole point of, quote, cryptos, the ethers, the ripples, the Bitcoins of the world is to be decentralized. Isn't that the whole basis of what Satoshi Nakamoto, whoever that is, wanted to do?
That is definitely what Satoshi wanted to do, but there are a lot
Craig
of other
Allen,
people.
The Australian guy.
There are a lot of other people, who think, and for example, you mentioned Ripple. Ripple is not decentralized. Ripple is centralized. And so, and it's the third most valuable cryptocurrency. So you can have a very valuable centralized cryptocurrency.
So what do you make of this, Lou? Is this Facebook trying to get a little bit of that crypto buzz? You know, companies love, big companies, and Facebook's a big company, like to have that buzz, that PR buzz around it. Is this really just kind of a PayPal clone? Well,
what I think it is I think Facebook has obviously done an amazing job of taking a percentage of your time. And that's how they monetize.
Now they want a percentage of your money.
Now, exactly. Now they want a percentage of your wallet. And they say that they're not going to mix the data with the social data, but that doesn't mean that they can't take your purchasing data and still market to you. Even if they don't mix it with their social data, and it can be very, very powerful. And I think that's what the other partners are there for as well, is to get access to that data so that they can market to you.
I mean, that would seem to be the next step if I was going to sort of strategize for Facebook, which is start to take on Amazon.
Undoubtedly. So they want to get the same way that Amazon, I think, looks at getting a percentage of your wallet. I think Facebook is going to want to get a percentage of your wallet there. And if you take a look at what's happening in Asia, right, and you're looking at how the major apps there operate, like WeChat, more and more of people's time is spent in WeChat. Obscene amounts of time. Far more time is spent in WeChat.
They live there.
In Asia, exactly.
Many people literally
they do everything.
Digitally
they buy everything.
Live there.
Exactly. So the mixing of social media and e-commerce is already happening in Asia, and I think now Facebook is trying to lead the way there.
Is that kind of the ultimate idea? You just kind of always have Facebook up on your phone or your desktop. You're always logged in. You're sending messages to your friends. Now maybe paying for fantasy football leagues or sending cash to your kids at college, and soon making loans, getting loans, and buying stuff.
Exactly, and who knows?
Is that a good thing for Facebook?
Well, I think it's certainly been a good thing for WeChat, having more and more time. And I think that's how Facebook has created value to date, is getting you to spend more and more time. And by the way, after now, more than 10 years of increasing the amount of time spent on Facebook, the amount of time that people are spending on Facebook is going down. And that's, in my view, the major problem that Facebook has been facing for the last 2 years. And so now they're trying to offset that, and that's very, very hard to turn around, and they haven't been able to do that. So now this is a way for them to start another business to, eventually the ad business that they have is going to go into decline if people are spending less time there.
I wonder if this is really a net negative for PayPal.
Undoubtedly, this has got
to be. If I was PayPal, and by the way, this venture is being run by the former head of PayPal, David Marcus. Mm-hmm. To me, we're gonna talk all day about Facebook and Bitcoin. To me, this is a Facebook PayPal story.
I think very much so. I think this is very positive for Bitcoin in that this is going to educate hopefully a couple billion people on cryptocurrency, and the more educated people are, the more they're going to want Bitcoin. Relative to other assets that they might have.
That's the good. Every time you get that adoption on a major level. Now, I know the real deep crypto guys are not going to like this move because they want crypto to kind of be their thing outside of the sphere of central banks, hard currency, right? In many ways, this is kind of gold.
Well, I think
if it's
that
back semi-1-to-1,
I think that Bitcoin is gold. I think what this is just essentially just another dollar. And by the way, we need a dollar a digital dollar that we can trust today. Tether is what people use as a digital dollar, and nobody really knows what's backing Tether today. So it would be great for the ecosystem to have a trust
Tether users, which is
the faith, exactly. But there could be a run on the Tether bank, and a lot of people could be out of luck.